Deep within the earth, time and pressure have forged extraordinary gems, crystallized memories of our planet's wildest forces. These stones are more than beautiful, they're stories of luck, near misses and second chances. Imagine a priceless gem mistaken for a pebble, nearly lost forever. Today, we'll uncover 10 rare jewels that were almost discarded, saved only by fate or a sharp eye. From Myanmar to Siberia, from forgotten mines to bustling shops, each gem's story is as dramatic as its color. Join me as we explore the thin line between treasure and trash, Earth's hidden jewels, nearly lost to history. Our journey starts in Myanmar, where in the 1950s, Arthur Payne acquired 2 mysterious reddish-brown crystals. They looked like rubies, dark, unremarkable, and catalogued as such in the British Museum. For years, they sat unnoticed, nearly forgotten. But subtle differences nagged at experts. The crystals didn't quite match rubies' properties. Painstaking analysis revealed a new mineral, Payite, a borate with zirconium and calcium, unknown to science. For decades, only those 2 crystals existed, making Payite the rarest gemstone on Earth. Had Payne and the museum staff not been curious, these stones would have remained mislabeled, their rarity lost. Today, Payite is still exceptionally rare, a triumph of scientific curiosity over assumption. Sometimes the greatest discoveries are nearly lost in plain sight. In Australia's Musgrave Ranges, a small grey-green stone was unearthed in 1967. Initially identified as tuffite, a rare mineral, it was catalogued and forgotten, its uniqueness overlooked. For nearly 30 years it languished in obscurity, mistaken for something merely rare, not extraordinary. In 1993, advanced analysis revealed it was a new species, Musgravit, with a distinct magnesium content. Suddenly it was among the world's rarest gems, rarer than Payite. Musgravite's story is a lesson in precision, a reminder that the smallest chemical difference can separate the remarkable from the legendary. It was almost lost, not to misidentification but to scientific indifference. Only a second look revealed its true value. Sometimes rarity hides in the details. Madagascar's Grandidorite, a mesmerizing blue-green gem, was first discovered in 1902. Early samples were cloudy and dismissed as worthless by miners seeking sapphires. For decades, Grandidorite was a mineralogical curiosity, its potential unrealized. Most believed gem-quality crystals didn't exist. Then, in the 2000s, a new deposit yielded transparent, faceable stones, revealing Grandidorite's true beauty. The once ignored mineral became a sensation. Had it not been for persistence and luck, Grandidorite might have remained a forgotten name. Sometimes the world's most beautiful gems are hidden in plain sight, waiting for a second chance. The ugly duckling had become a swan. In 1940s Dublin, Count Edward Taffer examined a parcel of spinels and noticed something odd, a mauve stone with double refraction, impossible for spinel. Most would have dismissed it, but Taffer's curiosity led him to send it for analysis. The British Museum confirmed it, a new mineral, tuffite, identified from a cut stone for the first time. Only a handful of tuffites exist, making it one of the rarest gems. Its discovery was not in a mine, but in a jeweller's shop, almost sold as a common spinel. Tuffite's story is a testament to the power of observation and the value of questioning assumptions. Had Taffer not looked closer, its secret would have been lost forever. Sometimes the rarest treasures are hiding in plain sight. A sharp eye can change history. The world's only gem discovered after it was already cut. In 1883, pale blue crystals called Jerevit were found in Siberia, tiny, included and ignored by miners. For a century it was a scientific footnote, too small for gems, nearly forgotten. Then, in the 1990s, Namibia revealed large, gem-quality Jerevit crystals, sky blue, yellow and colourless. The ghost mineral finally materialized as a prized gemstone. Had Namibia's deposit not been found, Jerevit would have remained a micro-mineral curiosity. Its story is one of patience and geological luck. Sometimes a gem must wait 100 years and cross continents to be seen. The rarest beauty can emerge from obscurity. A ghost, at last, became a jewel. Red beryl, or red emerald, is found only in Utah's Wah Wah Mountains. Discovered during a uranium hunt in 1958, its tiny red crystals were seen as a nuisance, often discarded. Extraction was difficult and the crystals were small. Most prospectors ignored them. Even after its value was recognized, red beryl remained too rare for the mainstream market. Today it's 1,000 times rarer than gold, with prices to match. Its journey from overlooked speck to coveted gem is a reminder value isn't always obvious. Sometimes the greatest treasures are found by accident. Red beryl's story is about seeing potential where others see waste. The rarest gems are often the most easily missed. Fortune favors the curious. Alexandrite, the color-changing variety of chrysoberyl, was discovered in Russia's Ural Mountains in the 1830s. Green by day, red by candlelight, its magic was initially seen as a flaw. Miners nearly discarded it, thinking it was a defective emerald. The phenomenon caused by chromium was unknown to gemology at the time. Only scientific curiosity saved Alexandrite from being lost. Named for Tsar Alexander II, its red and green mirrored Russia's colors. Alexandrite's story is a lesson in embracing the unexpected. What was nearly thrown away became one of the world's most magical gems. Sometimes a defect is a marvel in disguise. The chameleon stone almost vanished before it was understood. In 1907, prospector James Couch found vivid blue crystals in California's San Benito Mountains, believing they were sapphires. Jewelers rejected them. They weren't sapphire, and their properties didn't match. The mining operation was nearly abandoned, the blue stones deemed worthless. Couch persisted, sending samples to UC Berkeley. Dr. George Louderback identified a new mineral, Benitiwite, with unique triangular crystals and dazzling color. Scientific validation transformed the worthless stones into California's official state gem. Had Couch given up, Benitiwite would have been lost to obscurity. Sometimes persistence uncovers greatness. The world's only significant deposit could have been forgotten on a hillside. Discovery is often a matter of not giving up. Black opal, now the world's most valuable opal, was once dismissed as worthless in Australia's Lightning Ridge. Miners and dealers used to pale European opals rejected the dark stones as inferior. Many were tossed onto waste heaps, their beauty hidden beneath a crust of sandstone. The market lacked imagination. The miners lacked knowledge to reveal the color within. Only a few pioneers believed in black opal's potential, learning to cut and polish it. Gradually the world awoke to its breathtaking beauty. Fortunes were likely thrown away before its value was seen. Black opal's story is about challenging perceptions. Sometimes the most dazzling treasures are hidden in darkness. The outback's discarded stone became its crowning glory. At Mount Kilimanjaro's foothills, tanzanite was discovered in 1967 by a Maasai tribesman. The intense blue crystals were mistaken for sapphires, but their properties didn't match. Early samples, often brownish, were discarded as worthless. Only after accidental heating revealed their true color did their value emerge. Tiffany & Company recognized the gem's potential, renaming it tanzanite and launching it worldwide. The once ignored stone became a sensation. Tanzanite's story is one of mistaken identity and marketing genius. Sometimes a gem's true beauty is hidden until the right moment. The world's only source nearly lost its treasure to a simple misunderstanding. Discovery is often a matter of seeing what others overlook. We've traveled the globe, uncovering gems nearly lost to chance and oversight. These 10 survivors, Payite, Musgravit, Grandidorite and more, remind us that true worth often hides beneath the surface. Their stories teach us the value of curiosity and a second glance. What was once dismissed as worthless is now cherished. Next time you see a dull stone, remember it could be a hidden treasure. Thank you for joining me on this journey of discovery.